Hey everyone, welcome back to the Voice Auto, the place where power meets precision, and machines come alive through words. Today, we're diving deep into something absolutely massive, both literally and figuratively. You've seen Caterpillar dominate the construction world for decades, building machines that move mountains and shape skylines. But now, Caterpillar is shifting gears, entering a completely new battlefield, the pickup truck market. This is the 2026 Caterpillar pickup truck, a vehicle that's ready to redefine toughness on four wheels. Caterpillar, or Cat as we all know it, has always been synonymous with raw power, reliability, and machines that just don't quit. For over a century, they've made heavy-duty excavators, bulldozers, and loaders that could survive the harshest environments on Earth. So when a company like Caterpillar decides to make a pickup truck, it's not just another addition to the market, it's a statement. The 2026 Caterpillar pickup truck isn't just built for roads, it's engineered for terrains that most trucks fear to tread. Now, let's talk about what this beast really is. The Caterpillar pickup isn't some repurposed commercial truck or a badge-engineered concept. It's an all-new, ground-up design, built with the same industrial DNA that goes into their legendary construction machines. Think of it as a hybrid between a luxury pickup and a piece of heavy equipment, something that looks right at home pulling a trailer, hauling rock, or just cruising the highway with authority. At first glance, the exterior design of the 2026 Caterpillar pickup is exactly what you'd expect from Cat: bold, commanding, and unapologetically rugged. The front grille alone looks like it could swallow small cars. Finished in a matte black honeycomb pattern with the iconic yellow Cat logo in the center, it's instantly recognizable. The headlight design follows a vertical stacked layout, reminiscent of Caterpillar's industrial loaders, but reimagined with futuristic LED technology. Those headlights aren't just stylish, they're adaptive matrix LEDs with 400-meter beam projection and automatic terrain lighting, meaning, the lights adjust their intensity and direction based on road or off-road conditions. The hood has aggressive contour lines that give it a muscular stance, and there's a vented heat extractor right in the middle, helping that massive engine breathe better. Move to the side, and you'll notice the oversized fender flares, bold wheel arches, and 22-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires that look ready for Mars. The suspension sits high, offering 14 inches of ground clearance, but the real trick here is the adaptive hydraulic suspension system, derived from Caterpillar's heavy-duty construction platforms. It can automatically raise or lower the truck depending on terrain or load, making it equally comfortable on the highway and in the mud. At the back, the design language remains aggressive but clean. A full-width LED tail light bar spans the rear gate with a glowing Cat signature that lights up when you unlock the truck. The tailgate itself is power-assisted, featuring multiple configurations, a traditional drop-down, a split-door mode for cargo access, and even a slide-out step system. Caterpillar knows utility, and this truck proves it. With 1,800 pounds of payload capacity and a class-leading 16,000-pound towing capacity, it's ready for real work, not just weekend adventures. The bed is lined with a composite material developed by Caterpillar's industrial engineering team. It's scratch-proof, heat-resistant, and has integrated power outlets and hydraulic ports for tools. Yes, you heard that right, hydraulic ports. You can literally plug in power tools or small hydraulic devices directly into the bed. That's Caterpillar thinking beyond the ordinary. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that combines rugged practicality with high-end comfort. The cabin design reflects Caterpillar's industrial roots but with a modern luxury twist. The seats are upholstered in a mix of premium leather and ballistic nylon, built to resist wear, dust, and moisture. Every switch, knob, and button feels industrial-grade, big, tactile, and satisfying. The dashboard features a massive 15-inch central touchscreen with Caterpillar's new Cat Command Center interface, which controls everything from navigation to off-road settings and even equipment diagnostics. Behind the steering wheel, you get a fully digital 12-inch instrument cluster, customizable to display anything from classic gauges to 3D terrain maps. There's also a heads-up display projecting real-time vehicle data onto the windshield, keeping your focus on the road. Now, under that muscular hood lies the heart of this beast, a newly developed 6.6-liter turbo diesel V8 co-engineered with Cummins. It pumps out an incredible 650 horsepower and 1,200 pound-feet of torque. But what really sets it apart is Caterpillar's proprietary torque management system, derived from their heavy equipment software. It allows the truck to distribute torque intelligently between axles and even individual wheels, depending on traction and load. This means maximum stability, even when you're pulling a trailer up a steep gravel incline. And if you're more into electrification, Caterpillar has thought ahead. The 2026 model will also offer a plug-in hybrid variant combining a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 with dual electric motors. Total output, around 550 horsepower, with up to 50 miles of pure electric range. That's perfect for urban commutes or silent off-road drives when you don't want to wake the wildlife. Performance-wise, the diesel variant can launch from 0 to 60 in just 5.4 seconds, impressive for something that weighs nearly 8,000 pounds. But it's not about speed, it's about control and endurance. The chassis is a high-strength steel ladder frame with reinforced cross members, and it uses Caterpillar's SmartRide adaptive suspension that reads the terrain 500 times per second. Whether you're on a rocky trail, snow, or sand, the truck automatically adapts for optimal comfort and traction. On the road, the Caterpillar pickup feels surprisingly refined. The cabin is quiet, thanks to triple-layer acoustic insulation, and the steering is electronically assisted but retains a heavy, confident feel. It's one of those trucks that make you feel invincible behind the wheel. The braking system features 16-inch ventilated rotors with 6-piston calipers, the kind of braking power you'd expect from a performance SUV, not a utility truck. Now, Caterpillar is not just targeting the typical pickup market, they're going after a new niche, professionals who need both worksite strength and luxury comfort. Whether it's a contractor, ranch owner, or adventurer, this truck is designed to be both a tool and a lifestyle statement. Safety hasn't been ignored either. You get adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, collision mitigation with automatic braking, blind spot detection, and even an off-road camera system with a 360-degree view. The truck uses 12 cameras and radar sensors to create a digital terrain model around it, showing you obstacles and slopes in real time. There's even an AI-assisted trailer backup system that lets you reverse with a trailer using a single knob. Just turn the dial in the direction you want the trailer to go, and the truck does the rest. Caterpillar has also added something special called the CAT Work Command app. It connects your truck to your phone, allowing you to monitor engine health, fuel levels, tire pressure, and maintenance schedules remotely. You can even precondition the cabin temperature before you step in, or use remote start on cold mornings. Now let's talk about the price. The 2026 Caterpillar pickup truck isn't going to be cheap, and honestly, it shouldn't be. The base model starts at around $92,000 for the diesel variant, with the fully loaded Platinum Off-Road Edition pushing closer to $115,000. That puts it above most mainstream trucks like the Ford F-150 Raptor or Ram TRX, but remember, this is a Caterpillar, a name that stands for industrial durability. You're not just buying a truck, you're buying a machine built with the same philosophy that powers earthmovers and bulldozers. The main selling point here is simple: it's built to last. Caterpillar claims a design lifespan of 20 years or 300,000 miles under heavy use, which is almost double what most consumer pickups are rated for. This isn't a truck you replace every 5 years, it's one you hand down. And with service centers already established worldwide for their heavy equipment, maintenance and parts availability won't be an issue. So, what's the takeaway? The 2026 Caterpillar pickup truck is not just a vehicle, it's a symbol of engineering ambition. It blurs the line between utility and luxury, between machine and masterpiece. It's the kind of truck that doesn't follow trends, it creates them. For those who demand power, dependability, and a touch of prestige, Caterpillar just changed the game. Alright, that's it for today's deep dive into the mighty 2026 Caterpillar pickup truck. If you enjoyed this review and want to keep up with the latest in automotive innovation, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. This has been The Voice Auto, where machines speak, and we listen. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.